Let's make chicken fried rice today. Take a chicken breast and cut it into small pieces. Prepare a marinade with Kashmiri red chili, chicken masala, cumin powder, coriander powder, salt, curd, ginger garlic paste, and black pepper. Mix the chicken well in this marinade and let it rest. Add some oil in a pan, then add the marinated chicken and fry until golden brown. Once done, add onions and salt. Followed by a little butter. Stir it nicely. Then add soy sauce. Next, mix in the cooked rice and season with a little more salt if needed. Give it a good stir and your delicious chicken fried rice is ready. Finally, top it with fresh coriander,